Hey there, mommy loves Aris. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading nito, reminders na hindi po ito para sa lahat. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay para sa iyo. At kung feel mo na ang reading nito ay para sa iyo daw, then this reading might be for you. So yan nga, meron tayong new channel, ang all about Taurus. So kung kayo ay dealing with Taurus or may Taurus kayo in your natal chart, welcome kayo rin mga babes. The channel's name is all about Taurus at ang link ay nasa description box. So let's see, let's go ahead. No? Tignan natin kung ano bang energy check-in natin for you guys. So let's see, Spirits and Angel guys. Like Angel Michael, thank you so much. Messages for Aries, please. Messages for Aries. Aries. Messages for Aries for their highest good, please. Just gathering up all the energies for you, Aries. 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 Okay, so Aries, let's see. Aries. Oh, we have here the fates. Mukhang may nakatadhana dito for you guys and it has something to do with the wish right here. Kasi nakita tayo dito ng stars. See, oh, parang meron dito silang tuto pa rin for you guys. No? Si universe ay may tuto pa rin for you. This is tadhana. This is fate right here. I'm picking up that. So whatever the case may be, meron dito yan. Yung pinakamalaking star. So it looks like maaring isa ito sa pinakamalalaki at pinakamatatayog na pangarap mo. No? Yung iba, it's standing out dito na pera yan, money yan, no? Nakikita ko rito, no? So, most likely para sa iba, no? Pera talaga to na wini-wish ninyo na pwedeng mabigyan ng katuparan sa inyo. Pero para sa iba, no? Pwede rin naman na it has something to do with some kind of a commitment, love and relationship. Okay? Because I'm seeing an infinity symbol right here. Alam mo, kanina ba ako nang mabakal dito, no? So, baka meron dito around you, there's an energy around you right here, or baka kayo to, no? Na pwedeng kinakabahan kayo, no? Regarding yan, maaaring may sasabihin kayong importante, pwedeng baka magtatapat na kayo sa crush nyo, or baka magtatapat na siya sa inyo ng feelings dito. Pero yung iba nakukuha ko na parang meron ditong kinakabahan kasi may interview rito or parang meron dito na parang kailangan nila tong maipasa. It's like a test. For others, it could be an interview, final interview, or whatever related to work, business proposals it is. Huwag kayong kabahan kasi pag kinabahan kayo, mas lalo kayo magbabakaw. Okay, so yun yung mga babes, no? So meron dito nakatadhana na matupad na isa sa pinakamalalaking wish mo. Ikaw nakakaalam niya, no? Pero most likely, no, nakuha ko rito na yung mga, hindi naman kayo mukhang pera. Pero nakikita ko rito, no, na isa rito ay ang katuparan ng inyong wish na may kinalaman sa kaperahan mo. So, yeah, pwedeng yan ay promotion, recognition, pagka-hire sa'yo sa isang kumpanya right here na talagang pangarap mo doon na mag-work or sa iba, no, it is a love and commitment right here because infinity has something to do with forever. So, mukhang may, yeah, forever status I'm hearing. So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing someone here. Isa sa mga malalaking wish mo ang mabibigyan ng katuparan dito. So, yeah, time to go because your time to receive right here. It's like, this is you, may kailangan ka pang gawin bago ibigay sa'yo ng tuluyan ito ni universe. Kailangan mo magtagumpay dito with that banderitas, no? Yung banderitas na yan, mga babes, no, ay isa sa mga sign na dapat ay talagang talikuran mo na yan, no? Ano ba yung mga dapat talikuran mo yan? Mga negative thoughts, negative feelings, o kaya mga taong negative or toxic, kailangan mo silang layuan at mag-detach sa kanila. Because everything is energy. I am energy, you are energy, everything is energy. Okay? The more na nadidrain ka nila dito, mga babes, no, the more na magkakaroon ng delay mo. Kasi ito na no? Nagkakaroon ng delay dito sa wish mo na ito, no? Kasi ito na, I can see it all happening. It's wish being fulfilled. See, 45 is right here. Right here, what will you get? See, it's number 9. 9 is the number of wish fulfillment. 9 is the number of luck. Ito na yung lucky time for you guys, no? At consistent, ito tuloy-tuloy na to, no? Kumbaga mga babes sa domino, no? Bongga, dire-diretso na yon, no? We have here number 8, 17 is standing out right here. See, you've got number 8 here, and you've got number 9. So, it's consistent. Diba? Kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang dito. Ayos, no? Alam ko mahirap talagang kontrolin yung mind, pero kaya mo. Okay? With discipline and practice, kaya mo yan. Okay? Isipin mo lang, ano ba mas importante? Ang ilinger mo yung sarili mo sa mga negativities o makuha mo tong wish mo na ito na undetain. Diba? So, yeah, fork in the road. Ito nga yung challenging for you guys, no? Marami rito parang susubok, no, ng mga test, challenges bago mo makuha itong wish mo na to. Alam ba tinatanong ng iba, eh, na ano ba naman to? Ayaw naman ata talagang ibigay sa akin to ni universe. Ayaw naman talaga ata sa akin ibigay ni God eh. Ang dami-dami pa ritong pinagagawa. Hindi ko alam kung ano na ba, may nangyayari ba ritong maganda. Talaga bang matutupad pa ito o hindi na? Yan, 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 yan. Alam mo ba, na isa sa pinaka maganda rito na senyales. Okay? Kasi ganito yan eh. Bago ibigay yan sa'yo ni universe, or bago yan ibigay sa'yo ni God, nakatuparan ng wish mo na eto na nga, itetest ka nila. Diyan na maglalabasan rito yung mga pagsubok. Kaya pag natanggap mo yung pagsubok no, na parang feeling mo they are blocking your way, then be grateful. Because ibig sabihin nun, kasunod niyan, ay matatanggap mo na ang ninanais ng iyong puso. Yeah. Other people, hindi nila yun alam, no? They're, nagrereklamo sila, no? To the point na, ano ba to? Bakit naman to? Dapat binibigay na sa akin ito na tagal-tagal ko nang dito, nagpa-positive thinking na ako, wala pa rin, blah, 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 blah. Then be grateful. Kasi you're almost there, tapos biglang may isang test dito na parang sisira or babaluktot dun, no? Sa pagkakuha mo ng wish na yun, to the point na mag-question ka na, don't do that. Instead, pray. Thank you, God, for this test because I know that after this, I'm gonna receive whatever it is that my heart is desiring deep within. Exactly. Because you're seeing everything. You're seeing butterflies, you're seeing angel numbers, you're seeing mirroring numbers, you're seeing repeating numbers, you're seeing signs and clues right here, and then there's this test and challenge right here, and then this is you. Why? Why, universe? Ba't may ganito pa? Nakikita ko na yung mga signs and clues eh. Yeah, little did you know na isa yun sa pinaka sign at clue na ibibigay na talaga sa'yo yung wini-wish mo. Kaya, be thankful, Aries. See, it's time to go. It's time to leave right here what is no longer beneficial to you and let the challenges enter because that are powerful also signs bago nila ibigay itong nakatakda nilang ibigay or ipagkaloob sa'yo. Yeah, yun yung hindi nare-realize ng mga tao. Yeah, we have here the TikTok. Oras na. It's the perfect timing. It's the perfect period for you to receive this gift, for you to receive this manifestation right here. Oras na para ibigay nila sa'yo. See, this is the hand of the universe right here. This is the hand of God right here. Ayan na, ibibigay na namin rito sa'yo. Ang talaga naman ditong wish mo, no? And I can see na dyan sa wish na yan, magsisimula ng bumalanse ang life mo. Okay? Maybe you are born on the 30th, whatever month is that, no? Kasi baka may cross-wish watcher dito. Okay? So, whatever the case, maybe 30 is standing out. Baka favorite number mo yan, no? Or baka yan yung jersey number ng crush mo. Nakakita kasi tayo ng jersey. So, baka may mahilig mag-basketball dito, no? At number 30, ang nakalagay sa kanyang jersey. Okay? Just take how this resonates. Yeah, boys. This is the poise of a happy and gentle individual. It's like this is you receiving here the banderitas. See? That banderitas, yun, nakukuha mo yan, no? Because you go towards that path, no? Iniwan mo na dito yung no longer beneficial to you. Ito na ngayon yung magiging post mo. See? This is you now receiving everything. This is you being grateful right here, happy to the point that you're dancing out right here. Eh, wala kang pakialam rito sa mga nakapaligid sa'yo, basta sumasayaw ka rito sa sobrang tuwa. See? Ayan, oh, nakikita mo ba yan? Nasa taas ka, no? Yan ay isang parang pader dito no, nung Greek time, 'di ba? Ng mga Greek goddess and gods, yan, no? Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito. Pero whatever the case may be, nasa tuktok ka niyan. So, ibig sabihin, maaabot mo dito yung life na ini-envision mo for yourself. See, hawak mo na yung star na yan, no? Nahawak dito ng tadhana. Ayun, no? Isn't it familiar? Ito yung tadhana, the faith is here. And this is you. Ikaw na may hawak yan. See? Dahil nakinig ka sa sinasabi ng iyong mga angels and spirit guides. Dahil napagtagumpayan mo ito. Kaya yung mga challenges, hindi yan dapat sinasabihan dito na, ayun pa to, ayoko na nito, mga bagay na to, ayoko na ito, gusto kong matapos, blah, 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 blah. But instead, thank you for this challenge. Yan, no? Kasi challenge lang talaga yun, Aries, no? See, you are about to go the distance. You are about to reach the finish line right here of what you want. See? Okay? So, nakikita ko rito, no? Tignan mo, sabi ko sa inyo eh, isang-isa na lang talaga. Pag nalampasan mo yan, challenge na yan, makukuha mo na yung wish mo na yan. Okay? I'm seeing that you're on the right path because we've got number 11. See? When you add 4 plus 7, what will you get? 11, isn't it? So whatever the case may be, I'm picking up that this is you're on the right path of achieving something here after all that hardships. Kasi desierto yan eh. Wala namang tubig dyan mga babes. So whatever it is, I'm picking up that this is you. You are about to receive something and it's the right time. Okay? It has something to do with money, career, job, and for others, it might be the love of your life. If that is one of your biggest wish. One of your biggest wish. Yun na nakukuha natin dito. And that's it. The bottom of the deck for you guys. See? Treasure Island! Natatanaw mo na ang Treasure Island at yun nga, yung wish mo mga babes, no? Punong-puno ng pagmamahal rito at parang confetti na nagliliparan. It's like the universe is saying, congratulations, Aries, because your wish, 9, number of luck and wish fulfillment is here. Ayan na, papalapit ka na ng papalapit dito mga babes, no, sa Treasure Island. See, yung iba matagal yun na to talaga na hinahangad with the turtle in there. Pero, eto na babe, eto na talaga. No, marireceive mo na ito. See? Wow! I can see that you are about to reach the Treasure Island right here, RSK. So, yan! Yan ang powerful message at very inspirational nating messages for you guys. So, thank you so much. Love and light. Annyeong!